AP Lang crew, this is Mr. Tolentino speaking. Tomorrow you have your AP Lang exam, okay? It starts at 11 a.m. Be there 30 minutes early. You should get an ID and an e-ticket that should have been received in your email on Monday. If you didn't get it, please message me. But what I want to talk to you is about what the test is going to be about. The test is going to be one free response question or one essay on rhetorical analysis, and we have covered rhetorical analysis. Okay, so let's review the most simple ways to respond to rhetorical analysis. Okay, so the most simple way, and often the best way to analyze remember rhetorical analysis also is when you analyze a writer and how they're trying to manipulate you or persuade you. Okay, you're trying to analyze what kind of rhetorical strategies are using to try to persuade you of something. So the first thing you think of when you get a rhetorical analysis essay, remember ethos, pathos, logos. You have to review ethos, pathos, logos. That's the first thing you should think of, right? Ethos. A writer is trying to build credibility. So if a writer says, as a doctor, they're trying to appeal to you that they're a doctor and therefore you should trust them, okay? Also, people use ethos. They build credibility by making themselves seem moral, okay? We tend to trust people who are moral. So if they are writing things that make them look like a good person, someone of integrity, someone you should trust, that is a form of ethos. Pathos, remember, they're appealing to your emotions, okay? So if a writer is trying to talk to you about coronavirus and they use an anecdote, remember a short story, that short story about maybe their cousin, okay? That short story is appealing to your emotions because they're talking about another person, right? Now the last one, logos, is logic. So if someone's writing about coronavirus and they're giving you a bunch of statistics and supposed facts, that is appealing to logos or logic, right? Your rational mind. So when you get the essay, think ethos, logos, pathos, okay? Figure out what's going on there. Maybe there's a couple of them. And also a go-to is tone. Analyze what kind of tone the writer is using. And you analyze tone by analyzing the diction, right? The word choices. Okay, so if someone's writing and they're using a bunch of scientific terms, then you could say the writer is using scientific diction to try to persuade readers that blah, 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 blah. Or you could say that the writer is using a scientific tone to appeal to readers and try to persuade them of blah, 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 blah. Okay, so think of tone. So those are your go-tos: ethos, pathos, logos, and tone. Also, repetition is a common one, right? When you repeat things, you try to accentuate things, right? You're trying to make those things stand out. So those should be your go-to on rhetorical analysis. Good luck. It's only 45 minutes. It's a great chance to pass it because it's shorter this year, okay? So rhetorical analysis, review it. I put some stuff on Schoology. Good luck.